Hi everyone, let's talk about Pyrex containers. We all have Pyrex containers, don't we? And the containers are in good condition, but the lids are not in good condition. So look at this one. This one is horrible. Especially we are a family of four and I use this container very often. When I chop my vegetables, I always like to use this container to keep my vegetables inside, and look at the lid, like it's about to fall out. So I wanted to find something that I would recycle. The lid I would recycle, and this is the one. This yogurt, you can only find it at the Indian store, and this lid fits perfectly well. So look at this, it's not even falling out. So it's called Desi Natural Dahi. Dahi means yogurt, okay? Do not get confused. And this is 4 pound size. They also sell it 2 pound, okay? Make sure you don't get one. You get the bigger size. So same kind of stuff, they sell it at the Costco, but this lid doesn't fit, okay? The Noga brand, it doesn't fit. Only this front would fit, the one with the red lid. Desi Natural Dahi. So now you might be wondering, why would I go and get Desi Natural yogurt, and why would I pay it? Well, this yogurt tastes good, and if you are not going to buy it, then you can ask any of your Indian friends or family. We always get yogurt from the Indian grocery store. Maybe you can ask them, if they can let you have their lids, because we would always recycle it. These containers are so big. 4 pound container is a big container. No one stores that. We would always recycle it. I have always recycled mine, but I never thought about this hack. So let me know if you have any questions and concerns about this lid. And I am in the search for the rest of the lid, the small size and the medium size. So once I find the solution, I'll definitely post it. So I hope my video was helpful to you. Thank you.